your master teacher of chemistry at Vedantu, and finally this video is here. Yes, which book should we refer, ma'am? This is the most asked question, so I'm sure this is the most requested video. So let us see which are the best books that will help you score 100% in chemistry. Before I start, let me tell you, it is very good if you want to score 100%, but as I have seen, there are two types of students. Okay, so one who actually enjoys, like, yeah, I want to today I'm going to learn something new, or today what is ma'am going to teach, so will it be exciting, will I get to learn something new? So these are the one, and one more is, acha, I want to score 100%. Okay, so few students, yes, of course they will enjoy and they want to score well also, but what I would say is, start enjoying all these things. Maybe learning something new and writing an exam. For me, I don't know, exams were always interesting, not because I could get to see how much I know, or will I be the topper again, or my friend gets more marks. It was not because of that, it was because of I always enjoy looking at the questions and trying to answer, trying to figure out the answers, especially MCQs. And I am from ICSE board, so there the application type questions will be there. It's not about how much you can write. You don't have to write the 2-3 pages of answer. It's about, acha, okay, if you only know the concept, apply it here and get the answer. It is like that. So I really used to enjoy taking exams and learning. And thankfully I never had this pressure from my parents also, that you have to score 100%. So one thing I would love to say is, study for yourself. Okay, it's okay to not score very well. Of course, what I'm saying is, we will help you, we will be there till the end to help you with any problems related to studies. That's a pucka promise. Okay, but not everyone is same, right? And it's okay, and it's completely fine. See, few will like math, so they will do better, and few doesn't like chemistry, so they find it very difficult. But I would say is, if you start enjoying the subject, if you start thinking in this way, that wow, so I learned something new today. you know Recently I made a video on this hormones, right? The dopamine and all that. So dopamine, it's a happy hormone. No, when you are actually happy about something, like for example, I'm reading a novel. Okay, so if I'm happy that I'm reading it, I'll never forget it. So only when you are happy, that you are enjoying, only when you start enjoying all this, trust me, the results will be better. So don't stress about exams, don't stress about, oh, I have to complete so much. It's okay, let's do it together. Okay, so on this note, let us see what are the best books to score 100% in chemistry. So before that, there is even a better platform where you can get everything: the notes, tests, assignments, every single doubt will be solved, and you can prepare your own schedule. So you name it, we have got it. Yes, I can tell you with this confidence, because so every day we are trying to improve, we are trying to come up with so many new ideas to make sure that you guys get everything on this platform. So doubts, we have this MT, that is master teacher class teacher, so there will be in class doubt solving. You won't go back with any doubts. So we will try to solve all of your doubts, and after every session, notes and assignments will be shared with you. So we will prepare you for the competitive exams. Once you are a pro subscriber, KVPY, NTSC, सब कुछ हो जाएगा. And the important thing is, I'm very jealous of this schedule. So you will get to prepare your own schedule, at what time you want to attend with session. So my favorite is micropost. By now you all know, I guess. So whoever is new, I really love this micropost concept, because I had this problem when I was a student. If I want to go back and start revising the first chapter, obviously first to 6 there will be a lot of time gap, right? I would have forgotten everything. I had forgotten. I used to forget everything. My memory is really pretty bad. Then I can't just go ask my teacher to teach it again. Who will? So for students like me, micro courses are best, where you can learn any chapter any number of times by any master teacher you want. And after that, you will get your performance reports also, so that you will know where you can improve, how are you doing. And personalized attention, so it is given. So we can actually unmute students, we can have a conversation, and after that also we will try to keep in touch with the students even after the session. If you're very happy with this, and even if you're like, yes, even I want to be a pro subscriber, all you have to do is just visit vdnt.in/ytpro, and 3 steps: select the grade, which grade you are in, and the target CBSE 2021 or ICSE 2021 Maharashtra board, and click onto the get subscription. See, 1 month, 3 months, you are like, same, why? If you apply this coupon code, look at the difference, okay? And almost every session it costs you less than 10 rupees. So 10 rupees may you will be getting everything. You might be like, 2294, but how many sessions you will be attending, how many notes and assignments and tests you will be attending, right? So that is what is important. So according to me, if you ask me, so 6 months plan would be the best one, because you will get to save 40% only after applying the coupon code SURPRO. So just visit vdnt.in/ytpro and use the coupon code SURPRO. Okay, yes, best books to score 100% in exams. So as I told you, the way we study is also different. Some people really enjoy it. I have seen students or my friends studying continuously for hours together, or someone who gets bored just after opening the book. Or I am that kind of person. If you want to ask me what kind of student I was, if I like the subject, I can sit hours and complete. Okay, once I sit, I will make sure that I will have some expectation, right? I'll keep some target. So I have to reach it. Only then I'll get up from my place. So that was the kind of student I was. So, as I told you, there will be different types of students. And you have to know that what kind of student are you. So how is your pattern? What are your methods of studying? So if you make that clear, because I can refer you books, but the way you study them, the way you refer it, it's in your hands, right? So make sure first sit and think about, acha, so how should I study? So make some plan. See, planning is very, very, very important. Okay, so make a nice timetable, distribute the timings. So which is, if you find a subject difficult, so spend more time on it. If it's very easy, and add some literature, that is English, Kannada or Hindi, so in between, so that when you read this novel or the stories, so you will get some relief. So this is how you have to plan. Just don't sit and without a strong plan, don't just start studying. First thing is planning. Okay, and coming to, of course, it is expected NCERT. Yes, so NCERT, it is called as the Bible for board exams. So if you are thorough with this NCERT book, then you are good to go. Aram say you can score above 95%. Okay, so open the book, and anyway we are teaching here, so make sure you are covering all the concepts, all the exercise questions, examples. Don't leave anything. Okay, don't leave anything. Just read everything, learn everything, practice everything. Then this book is enough. Okay, one more thing is, I have seen students, they'll ask friends, okay, acha, you're referring this book, they'll buy everything. No need. Trust me. So 2 to 3 books, 2 books are enough. Okay, one is this NCERT, so where I am sure that every concept is, it has been detailedly explained, and it is very easy to understand with lots of examples. Yes, and so for the practicing is very, very, very important. You can go with the NCERT example. Okay, so NCERT book and NCERT exemplar for practicing. Then if you want a reference book, see, one is your NCERT book, which you have to study, don't leave any single page. Everything you have to study, and as a reference, then comes your reference books. Okay, so for that I would suggest go with Chemistry, Lakmeer Singh and Manjeet Kaur. It is really a good book where the concepts have been neatly explained with lots and lots of examples. Okay, so that is it. And if you want to have this extra knowledge, and if you want to start studying, preparing for NTSC, KVPI, then the foundation courses, MTG and Disha would be nice. But according to me, don't go and just collect all the books and half from this book and the other half from this book. Don't do it. As I told you, NCERT first and then exemplars, so that you will have lots of practice, and as a reference book you can use the other books. Okay, but as I told you, it's all in your hand. How you study is very important. Of course the books are important, but how do you make use of them, that is very important. So take a book, then please read it or learn from it, understand the concepts, and then only go for the other book. So NCERT you finish it, and then you start solving problems. Don't leave anything, the exercise problems, everything, the examples, bus. That's it. So if you are expecting that there will be lots of books, of course I don't want to confuse you, but and according to me, these books are enough to score 100% in chemistry. And one more thing is, you should know the marks distribution. Okay, acha, which topic is very important, so what is the marks distribution, so how should I study, how to answer. Okay, that is also important. See, sometimes you will know the concept, like, yeah, this reaction I know, but you will struggle when it comes to answering it. So this exemplars, it will help you to answer, to teach you how to attempt a question. So that is it. I really hope this video was really helpful, because we never had someone to guide us how to study, which books should you refer and all that, and so we don't want you to miss all this. That is the reason we have come up with this video. And if you want to be a pro subscriber, just click on to the link, just visit the link vdnt.in/ytpro. 3 easy steps: select your grade, the target, and click on to the get subscription. Do not forget to apply the coupon code SURPRO. Thank you so much. If you liked it, let me know in the comment section, and if you have any other books which you find it very useful, you can share it in the comment section, so that your friends can also learn. But according to me, don't just collect books. Okay, just because Surabhi ma'am is saying this book is good, then this ma'am is saying this book is good. No, don't do it. Okay, so you will know, right? See, sometimes the way it has been written, so that is also important. If I find a book very easy and helpful, so the others might not. So it's all in your hand. So see which is okay with you, with which book you are comfortable and easy to learn, then go for it. If you have any doubts, please let me know in the comment section, and let me know how is the video also. Make sure you have liked, shared and subscribed to the channel if you are here for the first time, and share it with your friends, so that even they will get to know which are the best books, and even they can score 100%. Thank you so much. Till now, it was your master teacher Surabhi at Vedantu, and you can reach out to me at surabhi.r@vedantu.com. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care.